Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am teaching you the turquoise and brown nail art design step-by-step guide. This classic design combines the elegance of lace with the simplicity of polka dots. Let's talk about step number 1. Start by painting your nails with a turquoise nail polish. Step number 2. Using a nail art brush and a white nail polish, create a half moon shape at the base of your nails. Step number 3. Fill in the half moon area completely with white nail polish. Step number 4. Using a dotting tool and a brown nail polish, place dots in the remaining blue area. Step number 5. Using a nail art brush and a white nail polish, place loops along the edge of the white half moon shape to create a lace pattern. Step number 6. Finally apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. How to turquoise nail art on gel nails step-by-step guide. You may think that creating turquoise nail art simply consists of a turquoise color and some dark brown or black details, but actually I have come to realize that it takes just a bit more finesse than that. Have you tried painting and some yellow or brown standing? How about breaking your black lines for the more complicity? I did all of these steps and little more in the last. You just keep watching my video as well. So of course we need beautiful teal turquoise color, but where do we start with that? Well, our friends, our acoustics release a full collection of detail colors, so you can with the more information about that. I personally really like the Santa D turquoise hash 256 and Rocky Mountain turquoise hash 260. Absolutely perfect for turquoise nail art design. By the way, you can use as your favorite color as well. You can do one or two coats. It's really your preference after each of your use. If you like today's my turquoise nail art design, please like and do subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.